Stop. Before you spend your old buffalo nickel, take a closer look. Many collectors carefully inspect these coins because certain examples are highly collectible due to their condition, mint marks, and genuine mint varieties. Let's discover what makes the 1930 buffalo nickel so special. Hello everyone, welcome back to World Coins Explorer. Today we are exploring the famous 1930 United States buffalo nickel, 5 cents, one of the most iconic American coins ever produced. Many people own old buffalo nickels without realizing their historical importance or collector interest. In this video, we will cover the complete history, design, specifications, mint marks, collector demand, and genuine mint errors of the 1930 buffalo nickel. We will also discuss the factors that influence its value and explain why collectors continue searching for well-preserved examples. Stay with me until the end because this classic American coin has a fascinating story that every coin collector should know. The 1930 buffalo nickel is part of the famous buffalo nickel series minted from 1913 to 1938. It was designed by renowned American sculptor James Earl Fraser to celebrate the spirit of the American West. The coin reflects the nation's history, culture, and wildlife through its beautiful artistic design. Millions of these coins circulated throughout the United States during the early 20th century. Today, they remain one of the most collected American coins because of their historical significance and unique appearance. The 1930 issue represents an important chapter in the long history of U.S. coinage. The front of the 1930 buffalo nickel features the profile of a Native American chief. The word Liberty appears near the portrait, while the date 1930 is displayed on the front. James Earl Fraser created this design by combining features from several Native American leaders. The portrait symbolizes strength, dignity, and America's cultural heritage. The design remains one of the most admired portraits ever used on a United States coin. It continues to inspire collectors around the world because of its artistic beauty and historical meaning. The reverse of the 1930 buffalo nickel features a powerful American bison standing on a raised mound. This famous buffalo symbolizes the strength, freedom, and natural beauty of the United States. Above the buffalo appears the inscription United States of America, while E pluribus unum is displayed near the top. At the bottom, the denomination 5 cents is clearly visible. James Earl Fraser based the buffalo design on real American bison. The reverse remains one of the most admired coin designs in U.S. history. Collectors appreciate its bold appearance and historical significance. The 1930 buffalo nickel is composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel. It has a diameter of 21.2 millimeters and weighs 5 grams. The coin has a plain edge with no reading. It was designed by James Earl Fraser, one of America's greatest sculptors. The buffalo nickel was produced between 1913 and 1938. Making it one of the most famous 5-cent coins ever issued. Its durable metal composition allowed it to circulate for many years. Even today, collectors admire its strong design and craftsmanship. The 1930 buffalo nickel was struck at the Philadelphia, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S mints. Coins from Philadelphia have no mint mark, while Denver coins display a D and San Francisco coins display an S below the denomination on the reverse. Collectors often build complete sets containing all 3 mint varieties. Some mint mark combinations are scarcer than others. Identifying the mint mark is an important step when evaluating any buffalo nickel. Always inspect the reverse carefully before identifying your coin. Some 1930 buffalo nickels are known for genuine mint errors that attract collector interest. Examples include off-center strikes, die cracks, die chips, lamination errors, and double dies. These errors occurred during the minting process and are different from normal damage caused by circulation. Genuine mint errors are much less common than ordinary coins. Collectors carefully examine buffalo nickels because unusual varieties can be fascinating additions to a collection. If you believe your coin has a mint error, compare it with authenticated examples or seek professional evaluation. Never mistake post-mint damage for a genuine error. The condition of a buffalo nickel plays a major role in collector demand. Many examples spent decades in circulation and show heavy wear, especially on the buffalo's horn and the Native American's hair. Coins with strong details, original luster, and minimal scratches are much more desirable. Professional grading services evaluate coins using internationally recognized standards. Higher-grade coins receive greater collector attention. Proper grading helps buyers and sellers understand a coin's preservation. Always handle collectible coins carefully to avoid unnecessary damage. The Buffalo nickel remains one of the most popular American coins among collectors. Its artistic design and historical importance make it a favorite for beginners and experienced numismatists alike. Many collectors attempt to complete the full Buffalo nickel series by date and mint mark. Others specialize in collecting high-grade examples or genuine mint errors. The coin's connection to American history continues to inspire interest around the world. Even after many decades, it remains an essential part of countless coin collections. Its popularity has never disappeared. Several factors influence the collector appeal of a 1930 Buffalo nickel. These include its condition, mint mark, originality, eye appeal, and any verified mint errors. Coins with sharp details and natural surfaces are generally more attractive to collectors than heavily worn or cleaned examples. Professional grading may also increase buyer confidence. Every Buffalo nickel should be evaluated individually rather than assuming all coins are the same. Understanding these factors helps collectors make informed decisions when adding coins to their collections. Proper storage is essential for preserving the beauty of your Buffalo nickel. Always hold the coin by its edges to avoid fingerprints. Store it in a quality coin holder or protective capsule designed for long-term preservation. Keep it away from moisture, humidity, chemicals, and direct sunlight. Never clean or polish the coin because cleaning permanently damages its original surface. Collectors strongly prefer coins with untouched natural finishes. Good storage habits help preserve the coin's appearance for future generations. The Buffalo nickel represents one of the greatest achievements in American coin design. It celebrates both Native American heritage and the iconic American bison. Introduced during the early 20th century, it quickly became one of the most recognizable coins in United States history. Today, it is admired not only as currency, but also as a symbol of American culture and artistry. Every Buffalo nickel tells a story about the nation's past. This lasting historical importance keeps the series popular among collectors worldwide. When examining a 1930 Buffalo nickel, carefully inspect the date, lettering, and design details. Compare your coin with trusted reference images to confirm authenticity. Look for natural wear rather than signs of artificial alteration. Check the mint mark location carefully and examine the surfaces for genuine mint-made characteristics. If you believe your coin is unusual, consult a reputable grading service. Proper identification is the foundation of successful coin collecting. Knowledge protects collectors from costly mistakes. The 1930 Buffalo nickel is a classic American 5-cent coin admired for its beauty, history, and collector appeal. While many circulated examples remain common, well-preserved coins and genuine mint errors continue to attract significant collector interest. Learning about its design, specifications, mint marks, and historical background helps collectors appreciate why this coin remains so popular. Every Buffalo nickel is a small piece of American history worth studying and preserving. Thank you for watching World Coins Explorer. If you enjoyed learning about the 1930 Buffalo nickel, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos about rare and valuable coins from around the world. Share this video with your friends, leave a comment below about your Buffalo nickel, and join our growing community of coin collectors. Happy coin collecting, and see you in the next video.